Hello, in this video we will see how can we use Stripe in WhatsApp automations. So here we have a flow with trigger when new order is received. So when the user selects online payment in this flow, the first step we will do is add a new block. Here click on add automation app, search calculator. Here we will multiply our total amount with 100 as payment apps automatically take the lowest unit of money. So for example, in India, if the amount is in rupees, it will consider it in paisas. So in order to convert that, we will use multiply block here. So select multiply. I am entering values manually here to run and save this. We have obtained our result. Now we can simply map order total here. So this will be order total and second number will be 100, and then click on save. So you can use the number used for conversion in a particular currency. Now next, again select add automation app, search Stripe here. Here again search checkout. Select create checkout. We will have to add new authentication here. So click on create new authentication and enter a label. So for example, tutorial. Now to get API key in the Stripe app, here on the right hand side, click on developers. Click on API keys and create restricted key. Here select building your own integration and continue. Enter a name here and select the permissions you want to give. So we will give read permissions for charges, write permission for payment links, write permission for payment intents, and write permission for checkout sessions. So we have to give permissions for checkout session, payment intents, charges, and payment links. Now click on create key. You will get a OTP for verification. So enter the OTP and click on continue. You can copy the API key from here and paste it. Click on add new authentication. Now after selecting authentication, you will have to add product name here. So for now I am mapping order product table here. Charge amount will be the result from multiplication. So we will map data answer here. Currency will be order currency. And quantity can be 1 as I am already taking order total here. So you can also add success URL and cancel URL here. This is basically when the payment is successful or when the payment is cancelled, the user will be redirected on this particular link. So for now I am adding Google's link and then click on run and save. You will have to add data manually here and then run and save. Now in the next block, select question block, CTA URL button message. Enter body. So this can be to pay, click below. Enter button label, pay now for example. And then you can simply map the URL here. So I can simply map it in the body first, cut it from here and paste it in the URL section, and then click on save. In this way you can generate a Stripe payment link and share checkout URL with your users. Thank you.